Looking for a roomy family hauler that still feels modern behind the wheel? Check out this 2023 Chevrolet Traverse Platinum here at Bryan's Car Corner with right around 89,000 miles on it. Under the hood is a smooth 3.6-liter six-cylinder paired with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive, giving you 18 city and 27 highway miles per gallon. This Traverse comes loaded with driver assist features like lane keeping assist, blind spot sensor, rear cross traffic alert, and a pre-collision warning system, plus rear automatic climate control to keep everyone comfortable on long trips. It's finished in white and rides on a spacious four-door body style that's great for hauling the whole crew. It's priced at $25,988 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $26,287 plus tax, tag, and title. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.